everybody, today I'll be showing you this brand new dragon toy I got. The first thing you need to know is that this set comes with a remote control, 2 pipettes, and 1 screwdriver. The screwdriver can be used to open the back of the remote control to put batteries in it. It has lots of details, so does the dragon. Now to turn on the dragon, you have to do it on the belly. And to turn on the remote control, you can put it right here. It is very cool because when you use this pipette to squirt water into the top, right here, it actually breathes out water that looks like fire. That is the head button right here. That is the one that is used to squirt out the water. And at the back, it can be used to move the legs. You can spray out water. It can walk.